Hi everyone, I'm Ridwan, and in today's video we'll be talking about how to use custom visuals in our visualization in our dashboard. So we'll go to this button here and we'll see the get more visuals. Then when we click on it, we'll click on the get more visuals and this starts to take us to the. So here we are on the page. Then we'll see the search here and we'll start search the Asta plot. Okay. So that's what we'll be using today, and we can see it is Microsoft certified. So we'll click on it because it keeps downloading it. So here we are on it. We can then add it by clicking this add, and when it's done, we'll see it added here. And here it is. It has been added, and that's what is showing us that it has already successfully imported it. So we'll click on this visual, and we'll then we want to use it to display sales by states. So I'll click on state as well. So you can see sales by different states showing, but because there are a lot of states here, it's showing, it's making it look clustered. So we then feature down to have just the top 5 states. 5, then by total sales, then we'll apply filter. Then here we have it. So we can do other formatting like changing the background with the background effect. Then the title, we can also change that by saying top 5 sales or top 5 states. Yeah, let's do it top 5 states or top 5 states by sales. So we'll just do this, Control X, paste it, then also do this, Control X, and paste it. So we have that as that, and also we can change the background for the title as well to have a uniform style. Then the text color is in black. And what else? Then we can also show the data label or the detail label. Then we can also on the center label as well. So we can change the color of these labels to make it more visible. Let's use black. And also we can change the size to make it bigger. And we can also change the unit to make it look presentable as well. 1000, and then okay. Okay. Think we can just use the 1000. Then we'll do some editing on the so center label as well. We can change, we can leave the color like that. So let's make it 10 also. Then we can do further editing as well. Then we can also add a boundary, visible visual border. Then we'll use this color as well. Then as regard the labels, we can also change that by clicking on total sales and coming here to put it in the zero decimal place. So we have the actual number or digits. So here is the simplest way to use that. And we can also add more, we can also add one more thing, which is we can add a button. Can add custom button as well. So I'm trying to create space for that. So okay, so we can come here and insert, then we see the button here, then you can see we can add the arrow button, we can add the page navigator. So if we want to add the page navigator, we can come here, put it here, and we can rename it by coming down here, right clicking on the page, then we can see the sales overview. And enter. So we have it here already, which is a button, and we can as well format this button. We can change the background to match with what we already have by turning the transparency on. Then we can also do some effects on it when we can show different states of it. So in default, we want it to show the background color we just added. So this default color, we want it to be a black color. Then we will change the background to black. Okay, this is for the text. So we can change the background for now here. So we can always do some little formatting. So, but this is how to create button. So if we have more than one page, it will automatically update itself, and we can do editing of other pages.